Kien. Am I saying that right?
It's Ken, actually.
Great. Whenever you're ready.
Excellent choice, sir. The cheese for the penne alla vodka is imported from Italy. I'll be right back with the Prosecco.
Okay. Great job. But we were hoping for something a little bit more ethnic. You think you can give that a try?
When asked about his experience navigating almost 15 years in film and television, Needham-based actor-producer Michael Toe points to his early short film, East of Hollywood.
And it was the behind-the-scenes story of an Asian American male, basically loosely based on my career. And the line that an actor has to draw between taking a stereotype role or not work.
It's big leagues.
Okay,
We're in.
Toe says things improved over time, in part due to his own success, as well as that of stereotype-shattering films such as Crazy Rich Asians. But when we met at Showcase Cinema Deluxe in Dedham, it was clear there's still a lot of work to be done. In early February 2020, before mask mandates, social distancing, or a single COVID death in Massachusetts, Toe sensed the coming storm and used his association with filmmaker and activist Taya Arboleda to attack the hurtful association of Asians with the novel coronavirus.
How did you know it was going to get worse as far as the way that people were treating Asian Americans?
That's a long discussion. But you started seeing the rise of attacks towards Asian Americans. It's a precursor to what is happening now.
What is it that you like about the short format?
For us to have the maximum impact, we need to make sure the response videos happen very fast.
I believe one of your children just walked in.
Okay, so the question then becomes, if it, I apologize. Pardon me?
There's your nanny.
That's not my nanny, that's my wife.
The original video was a viral video from an interview on the BBC, and we wanted to turn it on its head. So 3 days later, we did a parody, and it's now at 30+ million views.
Hey, stop!
While Toe and Arboleda continue to make an impact with their collaboration on short films, 3 of the most anticipated minority-focused film festivals in Boston have come together for a very special collection, currently screening through Arts Emerson. Boston Asian American Film Festival director Susan Chinson explains.
Hollywood is still a long ways away from representing what the actual fabric of America looks like. The Boston Asian American Film Festival, Roxbury International Film Festival, Boston Latino International Film Festival, we all really hold a space to be able to represent our communities and the voices and the interests that we have and actually create that bridge together.
Looking for more Michael Toe? Well, you can catch him daily on the live streaming app Clubhouse, where he hosts 2 industry shows. He also makes an appearance in the film Sound of Metal, a movie that was up for the Oscar for Best Picture. Next, the women granting wishes and sharing stories from diverse filmmakers.